So it's an automatic truck. For the old dust suppression, it's just run by a little diesel pump. Just flick it on, the ignition, and then just flick on the sprays and she's away. I think the good thing about it is since it's quite a low machine, you know, you feel a lot more sturdier. Winstone Aggregates, like our #1 goal was safety first, so you know, having the ladder on there, the old guarding around it, you know, always makes it easier and safer. That way you feel a bit more confident too. So the good thing about this rig here is we've got these fast fill couplings where we can just get our worm drive pump, pull these off and fill it up that way. Another good safety feature on this for us is because we do a lot of drilling blasts, we have to fill up the drills with water, which helps holds in the blast holes. Back in the day we used to actually climb up on the rigs safely and put this fitting right up top. But the good thing these days is, you know, it's all about working smarter, not harder. Nowadays we can pull up right next to the rig, connect this hose up to their hose, and then fill it up easy peasy, all on ground level. One of the key features about this Hino 500 water cart, what we've done here, is we've put on these front sprays, which is, you know, the main purpose of washing down the roadways and all that kind of stuff. It's pretty much a no-brainer, you know, coming into the summer, being working at the quarry, it's a real dusty environment. So, you know, part of our resource consent is to keep the dust down. So this is pretty much what this thing here is for. I'd recommend it for anyone, you know, other quarries, construction works, you know, speedways, like, you know, racing, all that kind of stuff.